I am so excited. Do you want to know why? This just came in the mail. It is a beauty box that is a Secret Santa from Victoria Lyn. I basically screamed when I saw the DM from her that I had been chosen as one of them, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I was super excited. And that was last week. So without further ado, let's get this baby open and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Holy heart rate got me. Look at all the goodies. And now we go through each one to see what's in the Color Theory eye kit. Excited to learn more about it. Beautifully Obnoxious, Good Die Young, Semi-Permanent Hair Color, and it's blue. I've actually always wanted to dye my hair blue. Now I've got something that will let me do that. A Glam Go Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Oh, Milani. This one is a Sun Glow. And this is another glow powder, like kind of like highlighter, I think. Look how pretty that is. That's like a really pretty shade. Ooh, NYX Escape Artist eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, a Jeffree Star palette. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I've always wanted something Jeffree Star. NYX are actually really, really nice. So this is really cool. This is like a highlighting palette. And his highlighters are really nice. Deck of cards. Yeah, it's a deck of cards. I love that. That is so fun. Oh, another Milani. I think this is a blush. Yep, blush. Oh, I think these are, I think this is the one that's actually Victoria Lynn that she endorsed. And another one. Oh my god, this is like stock, chock full of goodies. An eyeliner pencil for gel that's like greenish. Oh, Color Pop. What is it? Ooh. Ooh, it looks kind of like a bronzer. That's super pretty. Rose cheek and lip stain. And then, oh, I think this is eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure that's eyeshadow. I think it's Japonesque. And, oh, it's a primer. Then a Soul shimmering oil. That is so cool. Brushes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love eyeshadow brushes. Because I'm gonna use them for eyeshadow. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's a little humidifier. That is so cool. I'm so excited. This one's purple. I could have some serious fun with these. Oh, another Milani blush. Oh, is this foundation? Oh, it is from Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh. That's cool. That is so cool. A gel eyeliner that's blue. This is another eyeliner pencil. I'm hearing a little one that's getting sad downstairs, so I'm speeding this up. Ooh, Revolution face palette. Ooh. Ooh, eyebrow filler. Cute scrunchies. Glow Tarte Pixie Skin Treats. That's cool. I think that's for like cleansing your face. Oh, and it even comes with a pump. Hank and Henry, I'm pretty sure. Twist and Lush. Oh, it says Cocoa Kind. And then a cute little thing from Victoria Lyn. How cool is this? I love that. And then a little thing of more eyeshadow palettes from Ardell. I'm loving this. This is so fun. And a 3D, ooh, Lash Magic Primer. I've always wanted to try an eyelash primer to see how much it would help with my mascara. So these are all the incredible things that I was able to receive. Thank you so much, Victoria Lyn. I'm so excited to use these. So excited. And to learn more about them, because some of them I'm still not like familiar with, and I'm excited to learn more. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Victoria Lyn. Again, sorry I'm being quiet. I got a little one downstairs with my husband right now. I think he might need to be fed. So I'm gonna go take care of that. But thank you. Mwah.